मेरे कान्हे को तान आंधळे को चित मेरे कान्हे को तान आंधळे को चित मात दूध जैसे मेरे कान्हे को तान आंधळे को चित मात दूध जैसे बहाने मात दूध जैसे बहाने सागर में बोधिक पायो हर नानक सागर में बोधिक पायो हर नानक कली पामित काले कली पामित काले ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਕਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਜਾਚਿਕ ਜਨ ਤੇ ਇਕ ਮੰਗੋ ਦਾਨ ਪਿਆਰੇ, ਇਕ ਮੰਗੋ ਦਾਨ ਪਿਆਰੇ। ਜਾਚਿਕ ਜਨ ਤੇ ਇਕ ਮੰਗੋ जाच के जन के एक मांगो दान प्यारे एक मांगो दान प्यारे पर कृपा जाच के जन के एक मांगो दान प्यारे एक मांगो दान प्यारे सतगुर की नित शरणा लागी सतगुर की नित शरणा लागी मोको हर गुर में विस्मारे मोको हर गुर में विस्मारे एक मांगो एक मांगो दान प्यारे गुण सारे
वाहिगुरु 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 साहिब जी। तो सुनानाथ अनाथ नामो सर, तो सुनदानी ना मोसो भिखारी, मोसो न दीन दयाल न तो सर, मोसो अज्ञान ना तो सो विचारी, मोसो न पतित न पावन तो सर, मोसो बेकारी ना तो सो उपकारी। मेरे है अब गुण तू, गुण सागर जात रसा तल ओट तिहारी मेरे है अब गुण तू गुण सागर जात रसातल ओट तिहारी जात रसातल ओट तिहारी दंडोत बंदन अनकवार सर्वकला समरथ डोलन ते राखो प्रभु नानक दे कर हथ आओ जी सत्संग जी करके जी वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। सो शुक्र है सुखमनी साहब के बड़े वीरां ते भैणां दा जिन्होंने इत्थे दर्शन दे विचार करने का बहुत समझे मैनू। I'm going to be speaking mainly in English just so to address the English speaking Sangat. So firstly, I just want to speak a little bit about Sukhmani Sahib Parivar. So I started coming to Sukhmani Sahib Sangat around 10 years ago, and I was very blessed to be a part of this Sangat. Guru Sahib Ji says in their Bani, "Bin Pagan Sat Sangha Lagay." Without good fortune, you don't find Sat Sangat. Sat Sangat means true Sangat. And how do we recognize that true Sangat? Guru Sahib Ji says, Sat Sangat kaisi jaaniye jite eko naam vakhaniye. Sat Sangat, true Sangat, is where there is contemplation, meditation, discussion on that true Lord, that one Creator who created us all. So, I was very fortunate to be part of this Sangat when I was younger as a teenager, because seeing the other elder brothers and sisters doing seva, it grew this kind of love inside me for Sikhi, and I feel that this is the foundation of Sikhi, love. Jo to prem khilne ka chao, sir tar tali gali mein jao. If you want to play this game of love, Sikhi is a game of love. And growing up, seeing Elder Guruji doing seva, doing simran, doing kirtan, that is where the seed of love of Sikhi was sowed. And I feel like nowadays we can do more for the next generation, to show them love, to show them that Sikhi is a game of love. It's not about putting pressure on someone to follow Sikhi without understanding it. Sikhi Guru Nanak Dev Ji taught us to treat everyone equally, no matter caste or creed. And nowadays we hear about women's rights being violated. Guru Nanak Dev Ji 500 years ago was championing for women's rights. So they were innovative, they were futuristic. Even 500 years ago, the modern world is catching up now. Some people, they say that Sikhi religion is something of the past. No, it's something of the future. So that's what I want to ask the new generation to realize, that what was so important in Gurbani, what was so important, this message in Sikhi and Guru Granth Sahib Ji, that many Shaheed sacrificed their lives to keep the honor of Sikhi, to stay on this path. They didn't give it up. Do Khoj of Gurbani. Guru Sahib Ji, we read in our Das every day. At the end, we read the Dohra. Guru Sahib Ji, we read, Agya Priya Kaan ki tabe chalayo pan, sab sikhan ko hukum hai, Guru manyo granth. Guru Granth Ji manyo, pragat Guru ki de, jo prab ko mil boj hai. Jo prab ko mil boj hai. Whoever has that desire to meet that Creator, Khoj Shabad Maile. Do Khoj. Khoj meaning research, investigate, look and research on what is in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. That's what Guru Sahib Ji is telling us, if you desire to meet the Lord. So, Satsang Ji, I just want to do a beg to the new generation that without connecting to the true source, not getting our Sikhi from others through other means, going direct to Guru Granth Sahib Ji, that's what our aim should be. And the other elder parents should be trying to create an environment where there is love for Sikhi, as was shown to me when I was younger. So, coming on to the main point of discussion, when I was asked to speak, I was told to speak on something to do with the New Year's. And Sasanji in Japji said, when Guru Nanak Dev Ji had a discussion with the Siddhs, they said, Gave ko taan, hove kisse taan. Who Gave ko taan? Some sing of his strength, the Creator. Some sing of his strength, hove kisse taan. Who has the strength? The Creator is so endless, so limitless, that us mere humans don't have the strength to comprehend His power, His knowledge, who the Creator is. All we can do is try and do Khoja Gurbani and sing the praises of the Lord. In Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says to us, there was a question put in front of Guru Nanak Dev Ji by the Siddhs, the holy men. They asked him, Moh ke bolan boliye, jit sun tare pyar. What can we say? Moh, from our mouth, what can we say that will evoke love from the true Creator? Because Guru Nanak Dev Ji had previously said, Sacha Sahib, Sach now, Pakya Pao Apar. That Creator is truth, ultimate truth. Sacha Sahib. Sacha Sahib meaning master. He's not like a temporary king, he is the permanent king. All such, Jugad such, happy such, Nanak Hosi Pi such. He was true from the beginning of time, before time even existed, and he exists today and he will exist in the future. Sacha Sahib Sachna Pakya Pao Apar. What? His language, Pakya Pao. Pao meaning love, Apar meaning infinite love. His language is of infinite love, Satsangaji. So when we speak about Gurbani, it's a game of love, Satsangaji. Pakya Pao Apar. If we want to invoke that love of the Creator, we have to grow this love inside us for our fellow human beings and for the Creator. And then when the Siddhs asked, Moh ke bolan boliye, jit sun tare pyar. What can we say? What words can we use to invoke love from that Creator? And then Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, Amrit Vela Sach now. Amrit Vela meaning those early hours of the morning, those ambrosial hours of the morning. Amrit Vela Sach now. Now meaning that, remember that name. Contemplate on that name. Sach now, Riyai Vichar. Contemplate on His greatness. Sing His praises. Sasangaji, Amrit Vela, waking up at those early hours of the morning, not only has spiritual gains, not only gives spiritual gains, but physical gains as well. Guru Nanak Dev Ji spoke about Amrit Vela 500 years ago, getting up early, meditating. And now we see these motivational speakers who speak about, getting up early in the morning, waking up and doing meditation. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji was telling us about it 500 years ago, Satsangat Ji. So to say, think about it ourselves. Guru Nanak Ji Sikhi has already been presented to us in a perfect way. All the modern problems we have, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has already given us some solutions. So, Satsangat Ji, coming back to the topic of New Year's. The calendar of New Year's. This calendar from January to December is based upon the birth of Jesus Christ. It's based around that. And then the Bikrami calendar is based upon a Hindu king. Right? So when we celebrate New Year's, what are we actually celebrating? Are we celebrating the birth, something to do with Jesus or Hindu kings? No. So when is New Year's actually? Those who understand science, a new year occurs when the earth orbits the sun. So that once. So the earth goes around the sun once, that's 365, that's a new year. Is that what we're celebrating? I don't think so. Okay? So, what are we actually celebrating? A new day? But Guru Sahib Ji says to us in Sikhi, कि नानक सोई दिनस सुहावड़ा जित सो नानक सोई दिनस सुहावड़ा जित प्रभ आवे चित सोई दिनस सुहावड़ा. That day is beautiful, the day that we remember Vaheguru, the day that we contemplate on that Creator. Soy dinas suhavड़ा. That day is beautiful. You know? So every day, if we want to make every day of our life beautiful, we want to celebrate every single day. We want to celebrate every single day, not just New Year's. Right? So what do? We remember that Creator call for Vaheguru, wake up early in the morning, do our nitrin, meditate, contemplate on that Vaheguru. Because on a day-to-day basis in our lives, we have many external things coming at us. You know, we have our responsibilities in our day. But what do we do in the morning? First of all, we sit down, we remember God Vaheguru, we focus inwards. Asi andruni dhyan dein pehle. Kyunki asan din vele, in our day, we have many responsibilities, many stresses. So that's why Guru Nanak Dev Ji says to us, Amrit Vela Sach Nao, Vadi Ayi Vichar. Contemplate, asi andruni soch kariye, look inside you. What are your main priorities? You know, what does your soul crave? What does your soul really crave? You know, Guru Sahib says in Bani, Man tu jot saroop hai, apna mood pachan. Guru Sahib is saying to us that our soul is a form of a God called Vaheguru. It is part of that Creator. And we just need to recognize that. So Guru Sahib Ji goes on to say in the Barama Bani. So the background of this Barama Bani is that back in those times of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, there was 12 months, and they didn't have phones like us. They would write letters, and this would take days. So there was, at the beginning of every month, people would gather. Okay, this was just a day for people to gather, and it was a way to organize people. Okay, at the beginning of the month, and then many Gursikhs came to Guru Arjan Dev Ji. The Sikhs came to Guru Arjan Dev Ji and says that give us a Bani, give us something that we will know what to do for the 12 months that are ahead. And then I'm just going to go through the first two panktiyaan of the paragraph which talks about the first month. So you could say in comparison January, so which is Chet in Punjabi. This is in Gurbani, so the first month is Chet, which will be tomorrow. Okay? Guru Sahib Ji says to us, Chet Govind Aradhya Hove Anand Kana. Chet meaning the first month, Aradhya meaning contemplate, Govind meaning the Creator. Chet Govind Aradhya Hove Anand Kana. And if you do this, you will be in complete bliss. Anand meaning bliss. Kana meaning that deep bliss. Not just the bliss of, not just the bliss that we get from the peace that we get from attaining worldly pleasures, but that everlasting bliss. Anand, which is so deep, which is blissful to our soul. Not just blissful to our body. So for example, we have those bliss, we get a little bit of peace when we attain happiness in this world. For example, if we buy a new car, or buy a new house, or we have a new family member join our family, we get bliss. But then ultimately we need to realize that bliss or that pleasure is temporary. For example, that new car that you bought is going to bring you pain further down the line. It's going to bring you headache when it breaks down. Or even further, even bigger pain when a new family member joins your family. You need to realize that one day you will face a loss of that family member. You know? So every pleasure brings with it pain. But what Gurbani says to us, Dukh daru sukh rokaya. Dukh is a medicine. The pain that we feel is a medicine because it connects us to God. It connects us to that Creator. And when we connect to that Creator, what do we feel? Anandkana, that deep bliss. That deep bliss that is everlasting, Satsangati. You know, and how can we connect with that Creator? Waheguru Ji says to us, in Gurdas Ji says to us, Waheguru Gurmantar hai, jap ho main koi. Waheguru is that good mantra, that mantra. Mantra is something that we use, that we recite to focus our mind. And good mantra is something that allows us to focus our mind to Waheguru, the Guru, the Creator. So we recite this Waheguru mantra, we chant this mantra Waheguru. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. We chant this mantra again and again. Why? To focus our mind and remove this false illusion of home, that we are separated from Waheguru. That we are separated from Him and we are one with Him. Jab home koi, you lose this home. And then when you lose this home, you won't have this ego, home meaning ego, you won't have this ego I, home, ego, I, me. You won't have this ego saying, I want this new thing, or I want this new thing, that I should be treated like this. You won't have this pride over your title. You will realize this is all temporary. Satsang ji, to main itni binti karan ke this new year is beginning now. Let us reflect and look back on how our year has gone. How much closer did we move towards Waheguru? Kitna si aage gaye hain Guru Sahib di Sikhya pe? How much have we followed Guru Sahib's teachings? You know, make some goals for the future. You know, people have like lots of goals in their life, like squad goals, you know, couple goals. Let's make some Sikhi goals. Waking up from Medela, keeping our nickname, keeping our red. So, Satsang ji, I sincerely apologize for all the mistakes I know I have made, and with your blessings, hopefully I can do better in the future. Well, ji. Satsang ji, Palachuli Maafi ji, Waheguru ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru ji ki Fateh. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. तुझ सदा ते आए सो तुझ सदा ते आए सो तुझ सदा ते आए सो तुझ सदा ते आए दोहे कार अरदास करी प्रभ अपने आगे अरदास सुर सुर जीवा तेरी बाणी 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 सुन सुन जीवा तेरी बाणी तोरे कार जोड़े मांगो एक तोरे कार जोड़े मांगो एक दर्शन को फल जा ਨੂੰ ਲਾਏ ਲਹੇ ਸੋ ਲਾਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਏ ਲਹੇ ਸੋ ਲਾਗੇ ਭਗਤ ਤੁਹਾਰਾ ਸੋਈ ਭਗਤ ਤੁਹਾਰਾ ਸੋਈ ਭਗਤ ਤੁਹਾਰਾ ਸੋਈ ਭਗਤ ਤੁਹਾਰਾ ਸੋਈ ਦੋਰੇ ਕਾਰ ਦੋਰੇ ਸਾਸ ਸਾਸ ਨਾਨਕ ਆਰਾਧੇ ਸਾਸ ਸਾਸ ਨਾਨਕ ਆਰਾਧੇ ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਵਾਂ ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਵਾਂ ਹੋਏ ਕਾਰ ਜੋੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਾਰ ਜੋੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਕਾਰ ਜੋੜੇ
क्या किश करे के करने हारा, क्या इस हाथ विचारे, जित तुम लागो तित ही लागा, पूरन खसम हमारे। पूरन खसम हमारे। मेरे सतगुर पूरे, मैं गरीब सत टेक तूं। मेरे सतगुर पूरे, मैं गरीब सत टेक तूं। मैं गरीब सत टेक तूं। मेरे सतगुर पूरे, मैं गरीब सत टेक तूं। सच टेक तूं। देख तुम्हारा दर्शनो, देख तुम्हारा दर्शनो, मेरा मन धीरे, मेरा मन धीरे, मेरा मन धीरे, मेरा मन धीरे। मैं गरीब सत टेक तूं। मैं गरीब सत टेक तूं। कोई ना किस ही संग का, एक नाम आधार, कौशल तरबी है। 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 कि मैं गरीब सत टेक तूं। गरीब सत टेक तूं। देख तुम्हारा दर्शनो देख तुम्हारा दर्शनो मेरा मन धीरे मेरा मन धीरे मेरा मन धीरे मेरा मन धीरे मैं गरीब अंधे कटूं मैं पेखे ओरी मैं पेखे ओरी मैं पेखे ओरी मैं पेखे ओरी ऊंचा मोहन सब ते ऊंचा 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 मैं पेखे ओरी मैं पेखे ओरी मैं पेखे ओरी मैं पेखे ओरी ऊंचा मोहन सब ते ऊंचा ऊंचा मोहन सब ते ऊंचा आनना समसर को लागे आनना समसर को लागे उड़े हम ऊंचा उड़े हम ऊंचा तुम रहे हम ऊंचा तुम रहे हम ऊंचा मैं देखे ओरी मैं देखे ओरी मैं देखे ओरी मैं देखे ओरी ऊंचा मोहन सब ते ऊंचा ऊंचा मोहन सब ते ऊंचा मैं देखे ओरी मैं ਪਾਈਐ ਮਨ ਰੂਚਾ ਸਤ 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 ਪਾਈਐ ਮਨ ਰੂਚਾ ਖੋਜੇ ਅਸੰਖਾ ਅਨੇਕ ਤਪੰਖਾ ਖੋਜੇ ਅਸੰਖਾ ਅਨੇਕ ਤਪੰਖਾ ਬਿਨ ਗੁਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਬਿਨ ਗੁਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਤੋ ਨਾਨਕ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੀ ਠਾਕੁਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਧੂ ਰਸ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਧੂ ਰਸ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੀ ਠਾਕੁਰ ਓ ਨਾਨਕ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੀ ਠਾਕੁਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਧੂ ਰਸ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਧੂ ਰਸ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 मिल साधु रस पूंचा, मिल साधु रस पूंचा, मिल साधु रस पूंचा, मिल साधु रस पूंचा, मैं देखे होरी, मैं देखे होरी, मैं देखे होरी, ऊंचा मोहन सबसे ऊंचा, ऊंचा मोहन सबसे ऊंचा, ऊंचा मोहन सबसे ऊंचा, ऊंचा मोहन सबसे ऊंचा, मैं देखे होरी, मैं देखे होरी, मैं देखे होरी, मैं देखे होरी। वाहिगुरु 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 वाहिगुरु।